If you've been dreaming of a Volkswagen-inspired kitchen but weren't sure where to start, you're in luck. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to access high-quality VW kitchen plans for free. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss a step. Head over to our website. I will leave a link in the description. By showcasing an array of specialized tools on the website, we aim to empower you with the resources needed to streamline your VW kitchen build, ensuring precision, efficiency, and ultimately, the realization of your culinary sanctuary with ease. Please remember you don't need all of these tools, but some of these will help you out so much. All I ask in return for giving you these free plans is for you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank to get your hands on these plans. They're absolutely free for you to download and use, allowing you to bring your vision to life without emptying your wallet. Remember, if you have liked and subscribed, you will find it easier to come back to this video in the future. So, if you're ready to embark on your kitchen renovation journey, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to creating the VW kitchen of your dreams, all without spending a dime. If you're a proud owner of a camper van, I would love to hear about your adventures. Drop a comment below and share some of the best places you stayed while exploring the open road. If this is your first camper van, comment below the van you have and the places you are looking forward to visit. I will leave links in the description of some of the tools and products we used for this kitchen project. For example, the hinges, draw runners and handles, etc. All I ask in return for giving you these free plans is for you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Remember, if you have liked and subscribed, you will find it easier to come back to this video in the future.